You know what time it is. It's activation time. Let's talk about it. I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investor Podcast and want to tap into the crypto space. That's right. It's been slowly waking up at the right time. And specifically, we are talking about today XRP. That's right. Type XRP in the chat if you have any type of XRP, whether it's 1, whether it's 5, whether it's 100, whatever amount you have, type it in the chat. XRP, that I know because the army, the movement continue to catch steam. And so if you know someone who can benefit from this podcast, continue to share with them because I'm looking to expand and continue to grow because I want everyone to become financially free, become financial independence. So continue to share, continue to like, so we can really grow this podcast. And the latest news, XRP. I got one question for you. Are you ready to make millions? That's right. Become the next millionaire, become the next billionaire, because XRP got so much upside. And I'm going to give you the reasons why it has so much upside. So at the time it's recording, it's sitting at $2.30, roughly $2.29 at the time it's recording. And the latest news it is on track for the XRP ETF approval. That's right. The Bitwise CEO and Ripple CEO, they have been talking. And Bitwise is one of the major heavy hitters that will have a say on the XRP ETF. That's right. So Bitwise filed an initial registration statement with the SEC. This is the SEC, for those who don't know, they're over all the money, pretty much all the money. So SEC on October 2nd, 2024 of last year, and the SEC, and I'm talking about the timeline I'm giving you, the SEC formally approved the submission on February 18th, 2025. So about a few months ago, kicking off the beginning of the review process. So the review process, it's been going on since February 18th. A decision on Bitwise XRP ETF is expected by October 20th, 2025. So we got about another few months, if not sooner, to see the approval of the XRP ETF, because it's going to happen. It's going to happen. So it's more likely to happen than not to happen, unless something drastically delays this process. We're about to get this ball rolling and about to get this rocket ship moving. So the SEC Roundtable is supposed to spotlight this week for the Ripple case, which is XRP, on June 9th. So stay tuned this week to see what news updates come out of this roundtable. So we lean in the right direction, but right now is the time to buy and dollar cost average and continue to load and accumulate. That's what exactly I'm doing. So the factors that's going to influence the price, because a lot of people have speculation. You have analysts saying $13 by the end of this year. You have analysts saying $25. You have analysts saying $50. Some say $100, and over time, some say $500 to $1,000. So the factors, let's talk about them. One is the market adoption. So broader adoption of XRP by financial institutions. So with the banks, all these big name companies like BlackRock, Bitwise, Chase, or JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank, Morgan Stanley, all these big name banks will have a say on the market adoption, because once they buy boatloads and boatloads. You're going to see it's going to translate over into our everyday purchases because this is a cross-border payment. That's why it's so special. Moving on to technology advances. This is another thing that's going to have a say on the price. Further development and integration of XRP technology, such as the RippleNet network. So the more technology get pushed out, updates, upgrades, partnerships, this is going to weigh heavy on the price. Okay. Number 3, regulatory landscape. This one right here, changes in the crypto regulation and bills. Okay. That is going to help the crypto friendly. We already have a crypto friendly administration. So the more heavy hitters besides these CEOs, but I'm talking about like Congress and governors and senators get on board, this is going to help XRP price go to the darn moon. Moving to overall crypto market conditions, the broader crypto market performance. Everything starts with Bitcoin. So the more Bitcoin moves up all-time high and continue to move, it hit an all-time high, then continue to hit another all-time high, that's going to bode well for XRP. Not to mention altcoin season. When Bitcoin dominance hit a certain price and Ethereum, once Ethereum hit that $5,000 to $6,000 that I'm looking to see, most of us who have Ethereum looking to see, once that get into that 5,000 to 7,000, 10,000 by the end of this year, preferably, then we're going to see altcoin season. And all the alts like XRP, Cardano, Solana, Sui, all those will go. But Bitcoin has to have that dominance. It's like a domino effect. Once it has a dominance and Ethereum finish this year, I believe, with an all-time high so far, then everything else is going to carry on. And watch XRP move. And I can't wait. And I hope you can either. And then the new use cases. The development of new cases for XRP, such as the stablecoin platforms. These platforms that's going to help booster XRP and other type of developments. So XRP at the time right now is to accumulate. When it dip, you buy. When it goes up, you buy. And for my traders out there, whatever price that you prefer to take profit at, you do what's best for you. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, but I am a long-term investor. At times, I swing trade things, and I'm learning how to become an option trader. But overall, long-term, long game wins every time. So if you can't handle price swings, and crypto is not for you. But if you see where all of us who's been holding for years, you will be successful in crypto. Any crypto. So do your due diligence, but right now is the time. When I say right now is the time, it is the time. Every time I look at the news, I see layoffs, I see budget cuts, I see furlough, I see people losing their jobs, and people who been working their jobs for 5, 10, 20 plus years getting let go. Like I've said, and I continue to preach, invest in yourself, invest in your vision, invest in an exit strategy. Because if not, we're going to depend on the government and going to depend on our 9 to 5s. And that is not what I want you to do. I want you to become what God has destined for you to be. And that is financially free, away from paycheck to paycheck, away from stress and life drama. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash that thumbs up. Continue to share with family and friends. people you know who can benefit from the podcast, those who are really looking to invest in themselves, get their money up, level up, and pick somebody else up and bring them along so they can join the ride. So if you have enjoyed this, I appreciate you. Prayers as always for your health and your wealth. Stay tuned for the next one. See ya.